Let's do a quick close-up where my camera is sharp. So I have the 100 board. These are the tiles for 1 to 100. These are all the contents that comes to the 100 board. But I made my own sticker. Just know that your own is not going to be as thick as this. There's some paper numbers, then second board A and B. These are the tiles for the second board. And you have these 3-part cards here. Right, so those are 3 materials already in your mathematics 3 to 6 curriculum. Then you have these cards for number road. And remember that all these cards work independently. So if you don't even have the actual material, you can still achieve the same objective using these cards. And if you have the materials, these cards can then function as a extension activity. Then this is the place value work. You can see all the many activities of many cards that they can work with. Right. Then this is our geometric solid. And then you have the multiplication and division board and the cards that comes with that. The division board, multiplication board. Then you have these tiles with all these cards. And then the snake game. The snake game, unfortunately, I didn't have the cards there. Somebody bought them, so I've not replaced my snake game. So we have these bits for snake game. Then spindle cards and counters. Let me just quickly show you what it looks like. So this is all the many activities you can do. Also have the counters, printed ones that you can work with if you don't have the actual counters materials. Then you have the short bead stairs, as you can see. And then we have stamp game. This work here is a work of labor of love. Yes, this is stamp game mat. So in case you don't have it, then I made this wooden box myself. So don't think that it comes with this. So all the tiles are here, the printed tiles that you can use with your mats and do the activity if you don't have the stamp game. And then you have the addition and subtraction cards. There are a lot of things. The charts, everything is here. Then you have the board itself. Then you have these printed ones that you can use. So if you don't have the materials, this will cover the entire curriculum for 3 to 6. And then you have the supplementary materials that I provided. That's the tens and units bead. The large and small number card is also supposed to be here. I forgot to put that. So you have these tiles, and you have these 9 of these, 45 of these. And then, of course, for language, you have reading series. But if you just want to do only maths, this is very, very sufficient for that.